decadent, delicious creme brulee. Hey everybody, this is Julio of Echale Porras Productions and Creme Brulee. Let's get right into it. So ingredients for creme brulee, there's not a lot, it's super simple. We're gonna start off with 1 quart of heavy cream, a half cup of sugar, 6 egg yolks, and then 1 tablespoon of our vanilla bean paste. If you don't have vanilla bean paste, then a tablespoon of vanilla extract will work. Or if you can actually find a vanilla bean, go ahead and use one of those. Just make sure you scrape all the insides out and just put that all together. So to start off, we're gonna take our quart of heavy cream and a tablespoon of our vanilla bean paste, and we're gonna put that in a pot and bring it to a simmer. Let's do that. And joining me today is my little sous chef, Mr. Damian Angelo Porras. Last time we recorded a video, Miss Erica was pregnant, and now this little guy's about almost a month and a half old. Crazy how time flies. So anyways, over here we have our quart of heavy cream on the stove heating up. To that we're gonna add our 1 tablespoon of vanilla bean paste. Then we're just gonna whisk that to combine, and we're gonna let this go until it simmers. Should take about a couple minutes. Look at him. He just side-eyed me like, what are you doing, Daddy?
All you see in the video is his double chin. Damien's like, bad angle, Mom. Bad angle.
All right, once you bring your heavy cream and vanilla up to a simmer, we can start with the eggs. So we're gonna take our 6 egg yolks and put them in our mixer. If you don't have a mixer, a whisk will do just fine. We're gonna let this go for a bit till these eggs get nice and frothy. All right, and once those are nice and light in color, we're gonna add our half cup of sugar. And finally, our heavy cream. Pour it in very slowly. You don't wanna scramble these eggs. And once you got all the heavy cream nice and mixed in there, we're gonna pour this back into a measuring cup, anything with the spout really, and then we're gonna get our ramekins ready for the oven. All right. And then in a baking dish, you're gonna get however many ramekins you have. So you're gonna fill these up to about the line. This should be enough for about 6 to 8 of these little guys, but I want a big ass creme brulee. So we're gonna see how many we're able to fit in here. And once you got your ramekins filled, we're gonna put this in a 325-degree oven for about 40 to 45 minutes. See you in a bit. All right, and here they are, after staying in the oven for about 40 minutes, and we took them out to let them cool. Here we have the bigger ones, still jiggly because you want it to be a nice custard consistency. But now we are going to brulee the top. And with that, we're gonna take some sugar, take a blowtorch. If you have a stronger one than this, perfect. This one's all right. Or alternatively, you could heat up a spoon really good and use that to caramelize the sugars on top. And then with this one, we're gonna try the hot spoon method. So let's get our sugar on there. A ripping hot spoon, put it on there. So 2 fails so far. Blowtorch isn't powerful enough, and the spoon, the sugar just melted on it. So we're gonna show you guys one more way to do it. We're gonna put it under the broiler. Now, when you put anything under the broiler, do not walk away because that can burn super easily. We'll bring it back out when it's nice and sexy. And here they are. Finally got the sugar caramelized. This one's with the little blowtorch, this one's through broiler, and now it's time to try them out. Crack into the broiler one. We make some good shit here. Decadent, delicious creme brulee. If you've already been cheating on your New Year's resolution, just throw them out the window right now, because you need to make this. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. First full video in a while since pumpkin roll, and first full video of 2022. We'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay awesome,